Sales funnels, sales funnels, sales funnels. That is likely something you've heard over and over again, that they've told you that you need to set up. But sometimes we don't even know what to do, what we've been told to do. We don't even understand the whole essence of it. And that's the point of this video. If you are a coach and you've been lost as to what exactly to do when it comes to your sales funnel, this is your video, because in this video I'll be breaking it down and be handing over to you a simple sales funnel you can follow, that you can design as a coach. I'm ready to share. Are you ready to learn? Then come with me. Let's do this. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temi Ajibewa, aka the Electric Temi. I am a business coach for thought leaders. I help coaches, speakers, trainers, consultants to launch and scale a highly profitable coaching business in 60 days or less. In today's class, I'm going to take you through how to set up a simple sales funnel for yourself as a coach. So speaking of sales funnel, what exactly does it mean? A sales funnel can be broken down to mean the step-by-step process that your prospects go through from not knowing about you to knowing about you, all the way to buying from you. Very simply, it just states that if someone does not know you before, or they haven't heard of you at all anywhere, what are the steps that they must follow before they can finally spend money with you? That process is called your sales funnel. It goes like this. If you remember the traditional funnel, right? It's like this way. At the very top is very wide, and people trickle down, all the way down, and then they come out of the funnel. That is what a funnel is. Now I'm going to be sharing with you, let's say you are about to launch and you want to, launch your coaching practice. You're looking for the step to take to get people to get to know you. I have here 5 steps that will absolutely help you. The first step is for you to create, or should I say design, a system that will bring in traffic to you. You can do this by getting people to talk about you, your friends to refer you, or by posting on social media, giving content, by being a guest on other people's platform. So you're doing it intentionally. All right, you can share on Facebook groups and so on, but you have to design a traffic source. How will more people know about your offer? So once you've determined that, then you want to create a lead magnet. A lead are prospects. A magnet means it would attract them to you, right? So a lead magnet is most times a free, valuable content, which can be an ebook, a webinar, a 3-part video series, a YouTube video like this, something to bring in people into your funnel. That is what you will create. And then you will take this to the traffic, to any traffic source that you may have decided on, and then ask them to come and get your lead magnet. I recommend a webinar if you're just launching out. All right. So on the webinar, give your value, share content and all of that, and then invite them to a sales call. That is the minimum I always recommend. Okay. And by the way, I have a full tutorial on how to create a webinar, a high converting webinar below. In that video, I share the common mistakes to avoid in your webinar and the major elements of your webinar. Okay, I'll put the link in the description box below this video. All right, so once you have your lead magnet done and dusted, then you want to nail your sales call. You want to get people on the call, talking to them, especially if it's a high ticket coaching program you're selling. People want to hear your voice as against a sales page. And if you're new, you haven't really, grown your brand, a sales call is a beautiful way to connect, preferably even a Zoom call. So they can see you, they can judge you, they can feel your energy. You also can feel their energy to decide if they will be a fit for you or not. And this is if you're selling a one-to-one coaching program. But if it's just an ebook or a course, it's okay. You can lead them to a sales page. Now, you need to also learn how to close people. So once you're on the sales call, you listen to them, you decide if you're both a fit for each other, then you close them. How do you close them? By showing them the opportunity and then sending them a payment link right on the call. Yes, get them to commit something that very day. And later on, when you have delivered your coaching to them, you've helped them, then you can now upsell them to something more. But there's a need for you to close them and deliver what you have promised them. So basically, there are 4 core steps to getting people to buy from you. The first step is to get your traffic source together. Second step is to create a lead magnet that will pull your traffic, your prospect into your funnel. The third step is to invite them to have a sales call with you or lead them to your sales page. And your sales page should contain some critical elements that will get them buying from you. And yes, I have another tutorial on how to create a high converting sales page. Yes, so you can check out that link below this video. I'll put it right in the description box. And then you close people right on the sales call or even on the sales page. You close them by getting your payment. That is when they are closed, not before. So the moment they hit the payment button on your sales page and they pay, that means you have closed them, or they've sent you payment via bank wire, then you have closed them. Or they receive the link via email while you're on the call with them, and they put in their card details, then you have closed them. And then, of course, they can get to buy from you later when you invite them to work further with you by upselling them to something else that you have to offer. So we have getting your traffic together, designing and delivering your lead magnet, inviting them to a sales call or lead them to a sales page, and closing them, that is getting their payment and later on upselling them. This is a simple sales funnel that you can design as a coach. I hope you found this video insightful and helpful. If yes, please let me know in the comments. Tell me which of these steps you have tried out, how they've worked for you, if at all, or which other one you may want to recommend to my viewers in this community. Thank you so much for sharing this video with someone who you know will benefit from it. Thank you for watching this one. Do like this video if you like it. And then if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, come on now. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so that you will not miss any video from me going forward. Thank you for watching. Stay focused.